Primary objective of choosing a Sena is 60S Evo should be the wave technology or the wave intercom itself, and the mesh intercom and IP6 waterproof, and the battery backup also. So speaking about the battery is the most important thing in Sena, which offers a 16 hours of mesh intercom and Bluetooth intercom of 22 hours, and a charging of least of 1.0 hours via type C. Better the battery backup, superb the longevity, you can keep on driving. Main other feature of the Sena is there is an extra additional type C port here which has been given added on, that is you can charge on the go. You don't have to plug off the Sena intercom for a charging period. No, you can keep on charging as on forever. While I was speaking about the updates, this takes up on-air updates. You don't want to have a device manager or an external computer to update this. Speaking about the mesh intercom, the working 3.0 working distance is up to 2 kilometers, can extend up to 8 kilometers between a minimum of 6 riders within you. While Sena has also an ability to get connected back if it is out of range and when it comes back within the range. Now the new technology, that's a wave intercom technology, works closely with the cellular network to connect anybody within the coverage, eliminating the distance gap and the limitless number of the people that can join to the same network. The 60S also comes down with a flashlight that's glowing up there, down there, and a customizable LED lights that's on the app. The second generation Harman Kardon speakers offering even more enhanced volume and dynamic range than the first generation, offering even more crystal clear sound. These boom speakers are also AI inbuilt voice cancellation. This is the mount to the secondary helmet, while this is the primary helmet mount, while this is a secondary helmet mount. If you have another helmet that can be mounted or swappable, this is a secondary helmet mountable. It comes with the IP7 waterproof rating also, which means can be fully submerged into 3 feet in water, which makes it perfect for the rainy ride. Customizable faceplates for the style you want to choose: white, grey, hard grey, black, and the rings too, the jog dials. 60S has all the features from the 50S: advanced noise control, audio multitasking, and voice commands. 60S uses AI technology to even further denoise using AI noise cancellation. Well, this is my 20S Evo that was been serving me from a decade as of now with zero issues, zero problem. I suggested 60S for one of my friend, so he has sourced this 60S from the Malaysia. It's costed around nearly 36k. So let's unbox this and see what all we have in this. Before that, do follow and subscribe in for more motorcycle contents. Manufactured Sena Technology Company Limited, Korea. 60S motorcycle mesh intercom system, which has a new technology. It's called as wave intercom. So this is not an Indian product, but while this is a Malaysian product, as you can see here. So this was outsourced out of India to fix on this axle helmet that you see on the right hand side, and in the left hand side that's a cab bag, and that's got an old 20S Evo which is done now a decade. So as usual, I'm not gonna introduce or make an unbox video, as I have written so much of things to introduce or write up that didn't go well. I did a previous shot, but I'm here to just open this and show you folks what is there on the 60S. And here we go with the unboxing. This is a user manual, and it's got a few features or which has to be how to use it and all those stuffs, as we know doesn't need it. So this a small box here now which has got all the tapes, tucks, and this is an external mic, and this is a velcro, and this has got all the stickers, and this is an sponge extender, speaker extender sponge, and again a speaker extender sponge, and a sticker again. These are all those if you need to fix it. So what I'll do is I'll combine this video with the unboxing and the fixing onto that. This is an adapter and 3.5mm jack and a mic adapter too. These are all the stickers, and that's it there in this box. Pushing this aside, let's see what's there on the main box. So this is a generation 2 Harman Kardon speakers down there, and this is a Sena's 60S, a nice thing. This is intercom antenna, mesh intercom antenna. This has few features like the torchlight here and an LED then glows. The base of this is a magnetic base. Just push it out and just swab it in just like this. But the older version of Sena had a clip-on mount. There's a clip here. We press, then only it is detached. But if you press on like this, it locks in. This is not a waterproof intercom, while this is 60S is a waterproof intercom. This comes with an IP7 waterproof, which means can be nearly submerged 3 feet in water, which makes it perfect for the rainy rides. So this is a type C mount that goes in this. I'm just not making a comparative video between the Sena 60S or the 20S, but I'm saying what all features have been added onto this. This is the boom mic which comes with the mount itself. There is an additional mount also given beneath this box. Let's open up henceforth. So this is an additional mount also which is being given, secondary mount. So this is the primary mount and this is the secondary mount. If you have two helmets, you can just clamp on just as it is. You can swap in two mounts to two different helmets. The secondary mount also has an Harman Kardon speakers with it. What's in this box should be the chargers. So there's a type C charger and a cable with that itself, and the interchangeable plates. These are the interchangeable plates, 3 colors, and one is here itself. So we have white, black, gray and dust, and the suitable rings also for the same. So being an OG biker who always chooses Sena, why? So Sena, being a decade, as speaking about 20 years Evo, this is served a lot from a decade. No battery changes till date. It's got a 3 years warranty, had a 3 years warranty, but still it is 10 years now. Not even a piece, either the mic or the speakers have any issues till date. This is Bluetooth and intercom only. But coming on to the 60S, you have a Bluetooth intercom also for your Bluetooth buddies. It also supports 4 riders working up to 2 kilometers in open terrains for small groups.
FM on 93.1.
So this is not an FM also with it.
FM off.
The speakers have very nice good quality as a second generation Harman speakers, offering a crystal clear sound. So mesh intercom 3.0, IP7 waterproof rating, second generation Harman Kardon speaker. This also has a magnetic base and a flashlight as a front.
Goodbye.
And interchangeable faceplates and an LED. Well, coming on to the features, this has a wave intercom, works very closely with the cellular network. It basically uses the cellular network on the phone or from the phone. So any people, if the intercom is out of range, it uses the cellular network so that it can easily connect with other intercoms of the same 60S. This feature is only for the 60S, not for the other Senas. So seeing on the clamps that's provided with this is a detachable mic. So you untuck this tag and remove this. The mic is out or the speakers is out. So basically the speaker connection is out. So remove the Sena 2, just a pull and just a tag. That's it. It's a magnetic base basically. Unlike the Sena 20S or other Sena models, the mount was actually a screw system. Right, as that you see there, it's a mounting system with the screw, but the 60S, I don't see any screws down there. You can find more features about the Sena 60S in the Sena website or the Sena YouTube channel. That's there on the link, that's there in the description or in the tag that's there. Do watch and do subscribe and do drop a comments for more biker informative videos. As such, see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself and peace.